Good morning, guys. So we are waking up in Charleston, South Carolina today. I'll give you guys a quick little tour of our Airbnb. That is why we're in Charleston. We're working with this super cute couple. They have like the cutest Airbnbs here. I'll have all of their information linked down below, and as well as a blog post so you guys can see what we did on our stay and some of the pictures that we took here. So without further ado, let's go ahead. So keep in mind, we got in here pretty late, so we do kind of have our stuff like set up where it needs to be, except for his suitcase, but I moved that so I could take pictures this morning. And also I had to move all of this in here so that way Clark didn't knock it off in the bathroom, so just ignore that. But this is the kitchen, which is to the left when you walk in. They have all of these cute little like mason jars, these fun little like crystal-y looking cups, and then you guys can see we ended up having 5 guys last night, so we did have some dishes in the sink that we're gonna clean up. So this is like the little breakfast nook, the place to eat. Clark and I had dinner here last night. Now we're just working on his computer because something happened to mine. So then they have these really cute little decorations up here, and then the couch is so cute. It's like a linen-y color. They have like plants everywhere, the bohemian rugs, jute rugs, and then over here you have this really pretty little TV stand, credenza, I think. I don't know, but they just have plants everywhere, and it's just so cute and bohemian, very beachy. I love how they have this, all of the little things here. Clark's coming in. I can hear you 9 times. But I really like how they have this little pink wall with that in the center of it. I think it's super cute. The beams up here are really nice. They have a little surfboard over there because they go to Bali all the time and they surf here a lot too. And then we stayed in here. Clearly we stayed in this room because this is a window, but it's covered up, so all we had to do was cover this one up. And also we're gonna take pictures in the other room, so we didn't want to mess that one up. But this bed is so comfy. They have feather pillows, which I love, like feather pillows versus like regular foam pillows. And then they have little mirrors. We're about to go take pictures, so I'm wearing one of the outfits, but I just love all of these like little details. I think they're so cute. So clearly this is a room where I have all of the stuff laid out. I just changed, so I have those curtains closed, so I'll just open that really quick. So they have these little noise machines because you are in a busier town, so this helped out tremendously. When we slept, there's another one in the other room, and I literally didn't hear anything going on. And they have blackout shades, so you don't have to see any of the light, which also really helped. And then this room is my favorite. It's so cute. I love like the little like wicker detailing, and it's just so cute and like bohemian. And like I said, they go to Bali all the time, so they just have very like coastal looking decorations everywhere. There's a lot of storage, there's a lot of room. It's perfect for if you're wanting to go on like a couples trip, go with some girlfriends, family. There's like plenty of room. It's like there's 4 apartments in here, and I think they own the whole building, so all of the apartment complexes literally like all look a little bit different, but they still kind of have that like coastal feel to it. So again, I'll have everything linked down below, so make sure you guys go and check it out. And Clark and I are gonna go and shoot some stuff. So we just finished eating at Rio Chicho's, which is in Charleston.
Got him.
It's in Charleston. Right now we're gonna be going to Folly Beach, or Foley, I don't know how it's pronounced, but we're on our way there. And it's only about 16 minutes away, but we decided to eat Mexican food because we were originally going to go to Jersey Mike's, and
the Mexican food was local. The Mexican food was local. It's called Rio Chicho or something like that. It was really good.
Yeah, I think the only location is there because I didn't see it pop up anywhere else, but we're we're trying to eat like cheaper but like more locally, so stuff that we're not gonna have at home. So that was kind of the reason why we went there instead of Jersey Mike's, because we eat Jersey Mike's all the time at home. But now we just have a few more outfits to wear. So it is currently January while we're here, and I thought it was gonna be cold because every time I looked at like the weather, it looked like it was gonna be pretty chilly. And so 60-degree weather at home is like way colder than it is here for some reason. So, well, I guess because we're by the ocean, I don't know. Anyways, so I have on so many sweaters, and I brought so many sweatshirts and hats and jackets and stuff like to shoot, and it's like summer. So for anyone who is looking to go to Charleston around this time, it's definitely like warm. You can wear like spring outfits, crop tops. So we just got back to the little Airbnb, and we went to Benny's to get pizza. It was probably about 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes. Probably like, we'll say 10. But pretty much we walked all the way down because we were gonna try and go to this sandwich shop, but they ended up being closed at 4 o'clock, even though on the maps thing it said they closed at 6. So we ended up going to Benny's to get pizza, and we just came back to just kind of hang out at home. It's pretty humid. I curled my hair today and it looks really bad. So I was hoping to not have to take a shower to wash my hair, but it's so humid that my hair just looks awful, and I didn't bring like any oil to help that. So yeah, so we're just gonna eat some pizza, hang out, watch some TV, and go to bed and do it all again tomorrow. So I'm doing my skincare routine here. I feel like my skin gets so bad whenever I travel, and being in the car yesterday for like 6 or 7 hours just like made me break out so bad, and then walking around with all the makeup on today. Thankfully the girl left some makeup wipes for me, and it like saved my life, and now I'm just using the Skin Fix Foaming Oil Cleanser. I really like this to take off my makeup, and then I finish with the Curology cleanser, then my Curology serum, and then now I'm going to use the Rich Moisturizer and the Clarins Hydra Essential Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm. I literally put this stuff on last night, like super thick, and then woke up and it was still on my lips this morning. I just look and feel dead. So we finished eating. Now we're just gonna hang out, watch some TV, order Clark some business cards, and go to bed and wake up and do it all tomorrow. So this is the outside of the Airbnb. It's super cute, and then they have parking designated for everybody. So B, C, and D. We're in C. And then this is the mural outside of the Airbnb, which is super cute. This week we're driving the Chevy Impala, which we like. It got us here. And now we're gonna go and pick up Clark's cards from Staples, and then we're gonna head to Folly Beach and hopefully get to sit on the sand and just kind of hang out for a little bit. And then we are going to go and eat somewhere by the beach. So. In Charleston. We're at Rainbow Row in Charleston, and it's so cute. It's the perfect little backdrop for so many photos. We actually didn't take as many as I thought we would here, but Clark has been following me around to get that. But it's so cute. If you're ever in Charleston, you gotta come see it. It's on all of the must-sees. On our way home, got to stop at Freddy's. We had to stop at Clark's favorite place to eat. Freddy's on the way home. And now all we have is just a 3-hour drive back to Murfreesboro. So we just got back from Charleston, and I got home to a bunch of packages. Some of them are in the fridge because I'm working with a food company, which I'm excited about. But I got a whole bunch of packages to show you guys. I don't know what's in them at all, so we're gonna go through them right now. The first one that I got that I already unboxed is my Curology one. So this is from Nutrafol. Cool. No idea what this is. Oh, okay, some little jewelry that I bought. Cute. It's all 14 karat. Next, some more jewelry from Brook & York. That just literally got all over me. I'm disgusted. Got some cute little jewelry pieces. Then I got some Skin Fix. Lastly, my raw sugar lip balm and lip scrub. And that's all I have right now.